guys! It's your girl, Joyce here. So we're going to Iloilo. Si Jazz. Tapos ang mother, Jubilee.
Hi!
Siya ay nagme-makeup pa. Tingnan niyo naman kung gaano kagulo yung aming luggage. So, ang aming boarding time ay 6:50, flight at 7:35. Makeup check. Makeup check. Makeup check. Ganda!
Sweet girl.
Yes. Yan, so keep on watching. This is our first time traveling together in a place na malayo-layo sa city. So, let's go! Hi guys, it's your girl, Joyce here. We're here na sa Naiya, Terminal 3. Yes. We're going to Iloilo. Maghahanap muna kami ng lugar kung saan kami. And magbe-breakfast since maaga pa. Magsi 6 a.m. pa lang. 7:30 pa naman yung flight namin. We're here at McDo. Dalawa. Ganda! Lalaro na naman ang ganda-gandahan. So order lang kami ng breakfast while waiting for our flight. So we booked this trip last May 2024 and yung travel date namin ay August. For this trip, we will be going to Iloilo and then to Guimaras Island. So for day 1, Iloilo City proper lang kami. Tapos day 2, we will be going to Gigantes Islands. Day 3, sa Guimaras naman kami. And day 4 and 5, doon na kami sa Iloilo City proper. So here are just some of our selfies sa plane. And ito lang talaga, setback, bakit naman ganun kabaho yung plane na nasakyan namin papunta? Nakakaloka ka. For this Iloilo trip, we also have different colors of outfit each day. For day 1, we'll be wearing black. For day 2 sa Gigantes, medyo matchy-matchy ng color ng swimsuit which is with pink, violet, and blue. Napili namin yung Iloilo kasi chill lang siya na place, good for relaxation, and we also wanted to try their La Paz Batchoy and yung iba pang mga food sa Iloilo. So ito nga, nakamask na kami kasi nga medyo iba talaga yung amoy doon sa plane na papunta namin sa Iloilo. Sebpak, shout out sa'yo. Ayan, nakamask kami niyan going down. Hi guys, it's your girl, Joyce here. We're here at Iloilo Airport. Hooray! Hi guys, it's your girl, Joyce here. So we're with Lee's workmates from Philippine Coconut Authority. Ano lang kami?
For the lunch.
Aray! For lunch, breakfast, brunch,
Dinner.
yeah,
Bruncher.
all in one. Tapos, change of plans, una namin pupuntahan today ay Garin Farm. Shoutout pala sa mga ka-workmates ng best friend kong si Jubilee from Philippine Coconut Authority. Sobrang generous. Hi guys! We're done eating sa JD Bake Shop. Punta na kami ng Garin Farm. Courtesy of PCA. Here are some selfies sa JD Bake Shop. Ang sarap ng coffee nila and of course ng kanilang mga pastries. Sama po namin si Madam Jubilee. Madam. This is PCA. Philippine Coconut Authority. Hi guys. We're inside PCA. Magtatrabaho muna si Madam.
Hindi ako magtatrabaho. No to work. Boycott work.
Mga nakalim. Thank you PCA for assisting us in our trip to Iloilo. Hi guys, it's your girl Joyce here. Say hi!
Hello!
Pupunta na kami ng Garin Farm. Pero dadaan muna kami ng Varnishing Mansion and Miagaw Church. Shout out to Miss Karen and Miss Mikey and Sir Ruben for driving us to Garin Farm. Thank you rin po sa pag-take ng pictures and ng videos namin and pagsama sa aming mga kaartihan at kalokohan.
Imo friend?
Si ate girl namin ganda-gandahan kanina, ngayon ay sleepy na. Sleepy!
Ano pa man tayo, mga gimbal,
So the Vanishing Mansion is located at Kimball, the town of the rising sun and sons. And akala namin literal na mansion siya, but no guys, it's not a mansion.
Nag-park din eh. Dito tayo sa Digmar, passing Digmar.
So this is the Vanishing Mansion. Puno lang pala siya guys. Sometimes you don't know. Magpakita ka naman. Puno lang ka. According to the locals, itong Gimbal Vanishing Mansion, puno lang talaga siya. Tapos, may times na nakikita ng mga tao na mansion siya sa gabi. After Vanishing Mansion, kumain kami for lunch. Thank you, PCA. Girl, Joyce here. We're here at DT Restaurant sa Miagaw, Iloilo. So, magla-lunch lang kami kasama yung mga ka-work nila. Si Miss Karen and si Miss Mike. Andun sila. There. Diyan nag-order. Tapos tingnan niyo yung view. So nice. After having lunch, we visited Miagao Church since on the way naman siya to Garin Farm. Hi guys, it's your girl Joyce here. So we're here at Miagao Church. Isa siya sa mga World Heritage ng UNESCO. Yeah. I mentioned that right.
Again, thank you for coming and God bless.
Thank you po. This church is around 800 years? 237 years. Tapos, sa loob ng church na to, may statue ni Mama Mary made of wood for about 88 years. Old na siya. Ito yung statue ni Mama Mary na 88 years old na. It's made of wood. Dito rin sa wall ng Miagao Church, makikita yung image ni Jesus Christ. So, ang ganda kasi sa picture makikita talaga siya in sa video. Pero when you're actually there sa church, hindi siya ganun kapansin. We're on the way to Garin Farm. This is the entrance going to Garin Farm. Ang nice ng Garin Farm. Very aesthetic yung place. And pwede rin ditong magstay overnight. Meron silang mga cottages. Meron din silang pool and other activities. But we decided to just go up doon sa sikat na pilgrimage kung saan makikita mo yung all white. Tapos para kang nasa heaven talaga. Medyo mainit pero kaya naman. Hi guys, it's your girl again, Joyce here. So we're here, nasa Garin Farm. Ito yung cross na aakyatin mo. So, about 400 or 500 steps siya going up. And this is the other amenities of Green Farm which you can explore. Hindi na namin siya in-explore kasi medyo naiinitan nga kami. So, umakyat na lang kami. But, we rode the golf cart going up since ayaw namin mag-stairs. Pictures muna before going up. Hi guys! So, paakyat na kami dun sa cross sa Green Farm and sakay kami sa golf cart kasi init. Golf cart is 90 pesos per head going up and another 90 pesos per head going down. Siguro mga around 3 to 5 minutes yung paakyat doon sa pinakatuktok kung saan nandun na yung entrance going to the White Cross. Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa taas. Papasok na kami sa pinaka-entrance ng Green Farm. Tara! Let's see! Yung entrance na rin. So, sa entrance, you will be going through this dark tunnel and as the saying goes, at the end of the tunnel, there is light. So just watch the video and see the light. Welcome to heaven! Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang mag-photoshoot muna bago kami mag-picture doon mismo sa cross. So, after umakyat, bumaba na kami ng stairs and sila Lee, binibilang nila yung steps. So, hindi ko natanong kung ilang steps ba siya going down but in-estimate ko, it's about 400 plus to 500 steps going
Hi guys,
down.
it's your girl, Joyce here. So, tapos na kami mag-Green Farm. Share your experience, Lee. Tiring. So tiring.
So tired.
Super pagod.
Super init. Ito nga pala si Miss Mikey and si Miss Karen. Diba?
Grabe pause. Pause pa din ako. After Green, mag-check-in kami sa hotel. And then, iikot kami sa may festive mo ata.
Going to our next destination, the Molo Mansion. Nadaanan namin itong church pero hindi na kami bumaba. So this is Molo Mansion. Sikat din siya for their Molo soup and makakabili ka ng mga pasalubong. So this is the inside of Molo Mansion. Para siyang souvenir shop na pala siya. Hi guys, it's your girl Joyce here. So we're here at Atria. Tapos para siyang para siyang Ayala Mall. Ayala Mall siya talaga. So kakain kami ng bok choy. Bok choy. So we're here at Netong's Special Pasta Choy. It's so nice. So hi guys, we're trying out La Paz Bok Choy. So mine is sotanghon na bihon yan. I know, bihon. Tapos walang atay. Tapos
May pork.
may pork beef.
And beef. Kylie, may pork, beef, and bone marrow.
Mine is mega. May pork, may liver, may beef, may bone marrow. Tapos yung noodle na gamit sa kanya sa pakon.
Kay Just naman ay
Ito yung authentic talaga. Ito yung original. Ang
Mickey.
noodle niya is Mickey. Tapos meron siyang liver, pork and beef.
ito yung standard. Kami yung may mga special requests as special ladies. Charot.
When visiting Iloilo, it's a must-try na kumain ng lapas batchoy. It's not the usual batchoy na makikita around Manila, which is puro sabaw na pantanggal amats. This one is may noodles siya. Tapos pwede ka pang pumili ng ibang kinds of noodles like bihon, miki, or sotanghon. Pwede ring miswa, whatever you like. After eating lapas batchoy, pumunta kami dito sa Madge Cafe. Sikat daw ito na cafe. Masarap yung coffee nila. And again, thank you Miss Karen for the treat. Babawi kami soon kapag nasa Manila ka na.
We're at Delhi's Bed and
Hi guys, we're here at Telly's Bed and Breakfast. So, third floor siya. Deluxe, triple finally. After ilang hours? Anong oras na? 6 something na. 7 na nga ata.
So this is our room.
That's it for our day 1 in Iloilo. So, ito ang aming outfit pantulog. Check it out. Matchy-matchy kaming tatlo.